Army with autonomy and respect. I'm a well-trained professional and I know what my students need.
Army with emotional support for my students.
Army with ample security so that all students and staff feel safe.
Army with smaller class sizes so I can have time to talk with my kids and meet their social, emotional, and academic needs.
Army with more professional development.
Army with colleagues and programs committed to ensuring that no child feels isolated.
Army with support staff so that I can meet the needs of all my students.
Army with time to meet the physical, mental, and emotional needs of my students.
Army with peace, love, joy, kindness. Diversity matters.
Army with mental health resources for my students.
I say Army with support from state officials, from federal officials, and I'm ready.
Army with resources.